Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to do a top-down analysis on Bitcoin, and we are going to start our analysis from the higher time frame, which is monthly, come down to lower time frames 1 hour 30 minutes and 15 minutes. From higher time frames monthly, weekly and daily, we would like to find out the direction of the market, and on the lower time frames 1 hour 30 minutes and 15 minutes, we will find out our setups for the intraday trading and scalping in the direction of the higher time frame. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, as we can see, guys, that's okay. There was a, or you can say it is a support here. Price broke and closed below the support, so we expected the next candle to move down, although there was no bottom wick on this monthly candle, but we were expecting the price to move to the next support, and the next support was here. So price already hit this target, and still this monthly candle is open. So as we know, the price is pretty much bearish, so we are still expecting the price to move to the next support level, and the next support level seems here. As we can see, there has been an interaction at this level. This is going to be 19,800 level. So this is what we are expecting. Price is pretty much bearish on the monthly time frame. So let's see what's happening on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, guys, as we can see, there has been a strong support which is respected multiple times. Now we have, like, the last weekly candle closed below this level, and this weekly candle continue this downtrend. Right now we are going to the downside. So what we are waiting for, we are waiting for the price to hit the next support level, which is right here. As we can see, this has been a level, so we are pretty much bearish and waiting for the price to move to the next support level. Right now, let's see what's happening on the daily. On the daily, guys, there has been a consolidation. As you can see, there is a resistance and there is a support. So we have a resistance and we have a support. So price is kind of in this range right now, and if you see where is going to be the next resistance, so I'm going to say that next resistance is up there. And if you talk about the next support on the daily, then I'll be saying that, okay, there has been a minor support right here, and then there is another support right here, right? I think let's move it to hit this area. Okay, fine. So these are the two supports right here. So as we know right now that the price is in a kind of consolidation, so depending upon which side we break out, we are going to expect the direction of the markets. Like, if we get a bearish closure, below this support, then we are expecting the price to continue to the next support level, right? If that doesn't happen and price gives us a bullish closure, right? Price gives you the bullish closure above the resistance, then we are expecting the price to move to the next resistance level. So this is what we are going to expect depending upon how do we close, how we get the daily closure, right? So right now we are pretty much in the range. Let's see what's happening on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, why is 4-hour time frame? On the, also let's see what's the last daily candle closes. So this is pretty much a range, but at the same time let's do a little bit more analysis here in the range what's happening right now. So as you can see, the last daily candle closed bullish, so we are expecting the price to continue. I mean, today daily candle, we are expecting the price to continue higher and fill this range, right? This is what we are expecting right now. So let's see what happens on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, there has been a resistance up there, and there has been a support right here. So what we're going to do, we are just going to wait for the price to break out of this range. If we get a break and close above this range, we can wait for the price to continue higher to the next resistance level, which is right up there in the direction of the daily time frames, right? So this is what we can expect. If that doesn't happen, and if we get a very bearish closure here, something like this, then we are expecting the price to move to the next support level on the daily, which is right here. So this is what we are expecting right now, but nothing else, right? Okay, this is on the 4 hours. So now let's see what's happening on the 1 hour. 1 hour as well, we have the same resistance, right? We are waiting for the price to give us a break and close above this level in order to continue higher. Now there is one more support here. This is the support. So but I think it's better to look for any short trades right below this level. So this is going to be another support. So what I will say, so this is going to be 1 hour 30 minutes. The resistance is the same, but for the support we can remove this level, right? We can remove this level, and I think this is going to be the support, and this can be a support, and this is another support on the 30 minutes. Now let's see what's happening on the 15 minute. Now resistance is the same, this support is the same, this support is same, this support is same. So what we're going to do right now on 15 minute, 30 minute to 1 hour, if we get a break in close above this level, then we are going to, so what we are going to do, we are going to wait for the price to give us a break and close above this level, and then a bearish candle, a bullish candle closure above this level. Then we can wait for the next candle to retest the recent broken zone. Then either we can take long on the flip or the break of the previous candle high and continue to the next resistance level. So this is what we are going to expect. Now this is we can expect on 1 hour, 30 minutes or 15 minutes, because the resistance is going to be the same. But as we know, the higher time frame confirmation is better. So if we get a 1 hour candle closure above this level, that's going to be a stronger confirmation. Even we get a 1 hour candle closure, we can still look for our trading setup on the 15 minute and 30 minutes. So like taking our trading setup on the lower time frame, keeping the higher time frame in mind, and having that higher time frame confirmations. Now for the short setup, I will say it's better to look for the shorting setup below this level, because if we look at the 4 hour time frame, that will be pretty much bearish, and so daily also by that time we'll be breaking the low of the previous daily candle. So that's a pretty much good area to look for the short setup for the Bitcoin, right? So what we are going to expect, we are expecting the price to give us a break and close below the support on the 15 minutes, as we are analyzing the chart right now on 15 minutes, but it's the same on 15:30 or 1 hour. So this is something we are expecting right now. Wait for the price to break and close below this area, let the next candle open, retest the recent broken zone, and once the candle flip or break this low of the previous candle, we can take our entry. Now if we see 30 minutes as well, so 30 minutes as well, we can look for that setup here. 1 hour as well, we can look for this setup here. So that's it, guys. So if we just do a kind of recap, monthly is bearish, weekly is bearish, daily is pretty much in the range, but last daily candle close week bullish. So we can expect the price to continue higher as long as we respect this low. If we break the low, we are expecting the price to continue to the next support area, which is right here. So on the 4 hour, we are in a range, waiting for the price to break out of the range. On 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, we are in this range, guys. So we are waiting for the price to give us a break and close either above or below this range, and accordingly we can look for trading setups on the long and the short side. So that's it, guys. This was the analysis on the Bitcoin. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you really did like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel in order to support the channel and YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much. See you in another video.